So guys, I might have done a thing. I might have straight piped the S2000.
You what?
Yo, I could do that all day. I could do that all freaking day. Wow, instantly got lasered. That's insane. Sorry, people. I know you all hate me, but, you know. To go back to the shop because I think when the guy put it on, one of the hangers are rattling. It's a completely custom exhaust. Did that guy just shake his head at me? Goodness gracious, glory be, this thing sounds insane. Hello, cop. Please don't turn this way. Whew. See, sometimes someone driving slow in front of you saves you a ticket, and possibly worse. But it doesn't mean I still don't want to slap the mess out of you. There's a lot of cops out, but we ball. That's like all I can say right now. Inches header back to a 5-inch Skunk 2 muffler, Skunk 2 Mega Power RR. This thing, she screams, man, she screams.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're right there. Suddenly I feel like I need gas.